Hey Griddle Nation, today we're diving into a review of the MeatStick 4 Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you're a fan of grilling, smoking, or even sous-vide cooking, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're going to be putting this high-tech gadget to the test by using it to cook a mouth-watering steak right here on the trusty Blackstone Griddle. First things first, let's take a look at the stylish MeatStick 4, rocking a sleek gray design and the extender built-in premium charger. What sets this thermometer apart is its dual shell high durability, allowing it to handle the heat in your smoker, grill, oven, or even an air fryer. With true temperature quad sensors on board, you can expect accurate temperature readings that promise perfect results every time. Getting started with the MeatStick 4 is a breeze. Just insert the probe into your meat of choice. For us, it's a gorgeous steak ready to sizzle on the Blackstone Griddle. Once it's in, you're ready to let the MeatStick 4 remotely monitor your meat's temperature and send real-time updates to the MeatStick app. Now let's talk about the MeatStick app. This app is like having your own personal smart sous chef. It's loaded with features like CookTime smart alerts, a guided cook list, a user-friendly interface, plus it even comes with cook notes for those on iOS. This app is all about helping you achieve the perfect level of doneness without breaking a sweat. Our steak is sizzling away on the Blackstone Griddle, and thanks to the MeatStick 4's advanced Bluetooth technology, we can monitor the internal temperature from up to 650 feet away using the extender built-in premium charger. Talk about convenience, right? One standout feature of the MeatStick 4 is its incredible durability. It's designed to endure the heat of various cooking methods, including deep frying. With a whopping 70+ hours of battery life, it's perfect for those long smoking sessions or precise sous vide cooking. The true temperature quad sensors, which include both internal and ambient sensors, ensure you're always in control. One thing I really appreciate is the app's timely notifications. It alerts you when your steak is almost at your desired temperature. This means you can pull it off the griddle at the right time and let it continue to cook as it rests, without worrying about overcooking. Wrapping things up, the MeatStick 4 Wireless Meat Thermometer is a powerful kitchen companion that's worth every penny. Priced at $124.99, it might be on the higher end, but it's a reliable and high-performing gadget that delivers on its promises. Quality comes with a price, and in my opinion, this one is well worth the investment. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you're as impressed as I am with the MeatStick 4, you can find a link in the description below to get one for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and cooking adventures. Until next time, keep griddling.